Ever wonder how every single Pringle fits so perfectly in that can? It's not magic, it's a masterpiece of food engineering. Let us peel back the layers and uncover the secret behind one of the world's most iconic snacks. It all starts, of course, with potatoes. But not just any potatoes. These are high-quality spuds, chosen specifically for their starch content. Once they arrive at the factory, they get a serious scrub down. A powerful washing system tumbles them around, removing all the dirt stones and anything else that doesn't belong. Cleanliness is key right from the start. Next, these squeaky clean potatoes head for a steam bath. They're cooked with high-pressure steam until they're perfectly soft and tender. Think of the fluffiest baked potato you've ever had, but on a massive industrial scale. Once cooked, the real transformation begins. The potatoes are mashed into an incredibly smooth paste. Now, here's where Pringles really break away from traditional potato chips. Instead of slicing a potato, they build a chip from the ground up. This mixture is churned together until it forms a consistent, smooth dough. It's more like making a delicate pastry than a simple chip. The dough is fed onto enormous rollers that press it into a massive, paper-thin sheet. With their famous shape locked in, the crisps take a quick dip in hot oil. This flash frying process is incredibly efficient. It cooks the dough, removes the moisture, and creates that light, crispy texture Pringles are known for, all without making them greasy. The crisps emerge golden brown and ready for the next step. As the hot, naked crisps travel along another conveyor belt, they enter a flavor waterfall. A curtain of seasoning powder rains down, blanketing each one evenly. Whether it's the classic original salt, tangy sour cream and onion, or smoky BBQ, this is where each Pringle gets its distinct personality. The tumblers they pass through ensure every nook and cranny is coated in delicious flavor. But not every crisp makes the cut. This is where the robots take over. High-speed cameras and sensors scan every single Pringle that passes by. They're looking for any imperfections, cracks, discoloration, or incorrect shapes. If a crisp isn't absolutely perfect, a puff of air instantly removes it from the line. This strict quality control is why you rarely find a broken or burnt Pringle in your can. Here's another thing that makes Pringles so unique: the stack. Unlike other chips that are just thrown into a bag, Pringles are carefully organized. A special machine gently vibrates, causing the crisps to align perfectly with each other. They shimmy into neat, uniform stacks, ready for their can. This stacking method is what protects them from breaking during their journey to your pantry. It's a simple but brilliant solution. The perfectly formed stacks are then gently pushed into the iconic cylindrical cans. It's a snug fit, which is exactly the point. Once filled, an automated system places a foil seal on top and crimps it shut. This airtight seal is crucial for locking in freshness and flavor. Then, the famous plastic lid is popped on top, completing the package we all know and love. Finally, the sealed cans get their colorful labels. They're then bundled into boxes, stacked onto pallets, and shipped out from the factory. From there, they travel across the country and around the world, heading to supermarkets, convenience stores, and vending machines near you. So, the next time you pop the top on a can of Pringles and hear that satisfying whoosh of air, take a moment to appreciate the journey, from a humble potato to a complex dough shaped into a mathematical marvel, fried to perfection, and stacked with incredible precision. Every single crisp is a testament to decades of science, engineering, and a relentless pursuit of the perfect crunch. It's so much more than just a potato chip. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into how your favorite foods are made. See you next time.